Hi guys.
Hey, this is a video to say thank you.
Oh my gosh, thank you so much for your donations. You know, our projects in Ukraine been for so long and we've been so excited to do this. And just to know that we are collected almost half of it, what we're trying to collect, that's amazing, guys.
We put out a video to tell you about the needs for the orphanage in Kherson, where the heating unit is ancient, looked like something from World War II.
Old. We made a video, guys, you know, and like we'll keep you posted and updated on all the projects we're doing so you guys can see it yourself.
But thank you for the outpouring. In 1 week, from releasing that video, we had $8,600, and the goal was $20,000. But here's the cool part. One of the guys who gave says, you know what? I want this done. I want to make sure we raise that $20,000. So he says, I will match anybody else going forward who will give. I will match whatever they give. So if you give 100, he'll put in 100. You give in 500, he'll put in 500. So whatever you give is doubled, and we want to get this done. I'm going over there next week. I'm going to be taking whatever we have, and then we'll finish collecting the rest to get this done for these kids over there.
Yeah, let's just do this project. And what's a great year to start for these kids. It's amazing. So let's just do this, and hopefully we can do it this month. I really hope so, because you know January is really cold in Ukraine. So let's just help kids.
Thanks so much, guys. Let's get it done in January. Get it done right now. Share it, pass the word along, and thanks so much for your giving. And it means so much for these orphans who can't do anything for themselves. Way to start the new year. Thanks.